this is our new topic, that is correction due to incorrect length of chain or tape. Correction due to incorrect length of chain or tape. Okay, means whenever we are doing the chaining on the ground for a long time, sometimes the chain gets shortened or sometimes the chain get elongated. Whenever the chain is in such position, if we take the measurement by using such type of chain, then we will get the wrong measurements. So these wrong measurements can be avoided by adjusting and testing the chain. The chains can be tested by using a steel tape. Okay, how we can test the chain? If the length of the chain does not tally with the length of the standard steel tape, then there is some error. How we can check? If the length of chain is not equal to length of tape, then we can say that some error is there in the chain. So the error can be minimized by closing the joint of the rings or straightening the bent links. Means whenever if any joints are open in the chain, by closing those joints we can minimize the error, or by straightening the bent links also we can minimize the error. If the full adjustment is not possible, then the amount of elongation is known as too long, or the amount of shortening is known as too short. Means sometimes in chain there will be some elongation. What is meant by elongation? Whenever the chain is too long, it is known as elongation. Sometimes there will be shortening. What is meant by shortening? Whenever the chain is too short, it is known as shortening. It should be noted clearly to apply the correction. So we have to see whether the chain is too long or whether the chain is too short. If the chain is too long, there will be one formula for correction. Correction formula is applied for both too long and too short. So what are the different formulas for too long chain and too short chain? That is elongation and shortening. First is correction applied to incorrect length of chain or tape. So for applying the correction for incorrect length of chain and tape, we have to find true length equal to incorrect. What is the formula we are giving for correction? True length is equal to incorrect length divided by correct length into measured length. This is the formula for true length. The true length is given as TL. Incorrect length is shown by symbol L dash. Correct length is shown by the symbol L, and measured length is shown by the symbol M dot L. This is the formula for true length. How we are getting the incorrect length? L dash. Incorrect length is equal to true length plus or minus error. We have to use positive sign when the chain or tape is too long and negative sign when it is too short. When we are using the positive sign, whenever it is too long we are using positive sign, or else whenever it is too negative sign, whenever it is too short we are using the negative sign. This is the correction applied to incorrect chain or length. For true length, for getting the true area, the formula remains the same, L dash by L, but area means side square, L dash by L whole square into measured length. This is for true area. Same as for true volume, formula remains the same. Volume is L into B into H. So L dash by L whole cube into measured length. So these are the formulas for incorrect length of chain or tape. True length equal to incorrect length divided by correct length into measured length, that is L dash by L into measured length, where incorrect length equal to true length plus or minus error. In case of too long we are taking positive error, in case of too short we are taking the negative error. True area equal to L dash by L whole square into measured length. True volume is equal to L dash by L whole cube into measured volume. So these are the corrections we are applying for chain or tape. In the upcoming video, I am going to solve some problems related to this formula. Okay, thank you everyone.